Hi friends, today we will discuss about animal kingdom. As you know about that, animal kingdom is the fifth last kingdom which was given by R.H. Whitaker. If you will see properly the classification, first it will come that kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, then Animalia. So Animalia is the fifth, which is known as the last biggest kingdom, which was given by R.H. Whitaker. Yes or no? So today we will discuss about habitat of animal kingdom, then levels of organization. This is the introduction part. Okay. So the first point is that habitat of animal kingdom. Habitat means what? Habitat means location where each and every animals they live in their surrounding atmosphere. Yes or no? That is known as the habitat. Habitat means what? Habitat means one location, okay, in which area where particularly any kinds of organisms live, that location is known as the habitat of that particular organism. Yes or no? So in such a way, you just try to think about that. What millions number of organisms, it means animals found on the earth surface. So all such kinds of animals, they can never be what? Same kind of habitat. They can never have same kind of habitat. Habitats are different in case of different organisms. Okay. So first we will see habitat of animal kingdom. Okay. So here the point is the habitat. Habitat means location where each and every organisms they live in their surrounding atmosphere. Yes or no? Different types of parameters are there. Different types of criteria are there. Different types of aspects are there where we have been already divided. Okay, on the basis of habitat, entire organisms. We have been already divided entire organisms on the basis of habitat. So first habitat, that is known as your what? You can say about that aquatic. Aquatic. Aquatic, this is number one. And number two, that is known as the terrestrial. After aquatic, we will see terrestrial. Aquatic means what? Aquatic means water area. Animals, they live on water surface. Yeah, inside the water surface, that water surface area, that is known as the aquatic area. Water area. Yes or no? River system, that is aquatic area. Inside the river, so many organisms live. Inside the sea, oceans also organisms live. Okay, inside the ponds, lakes, streams also organisms live. So all such kinds of areas known as the aquatic. And the second point, that is known as the terrestrial. Terrestrial, that is the atmosphere. Terrestrial means on the land surface. On the land surface, what number of organisms live, that is known as the terrestrial habitat. So always remember, animal kingdom means any kinds of animals, either such animals live in the aquatic area or on the terrestrial area. In aquatic area or on the terrestrial area. Yes or no? Then even in aquatic area also different types of subdivisions are there. Subdivisions are there means in aquatic area also different types of levels are there. It will be pointed out where organisms will be found there. Just like that. Point number one, that is known as the zooplankton. Zooplankton. Zooplankton means what? Zooplankton means animals. Okay, aquatic animals, not terrestrial animals. Aquatic animals are called as zooplanktons. What aquatic animals will be found on the surface of your water portion? Surface of your water portion, it means free floating. Such organisms are called as free floating. Free floating. That is known as your what? Zooplanktons. Free floating organisms. Free floating organisms are known as the zooplanktons. Point number two and point number three. Total three types of aquatic plants are there. Zooplanktons. Then after that zooplanktons, nectons. Nectons. And point number three, that is known as the benthos. Benthos. Nectons means what? Nectons means such organisms, aquatic organisms again. Such aquatic organisms will not be found on the top portion, yeah, will not be found at the bottom portion. They will found in the middle portion of the aquatic area. Somewhere else in the middle portion of the aquatic area, such organisms are known as the nectons. Just like you can take the example fish, shrimps. Such organisms always will be found in the middle portion of your area, okay, aquatic area. So such animals are known as the nectons. And benthos means benthic. You can say about the benthic also. Benthic means your decomposers. It means sedimentation, it means sedimentary surface at the bottom portion of your aquatic areas. Absolutely bottom most surface portion of your aquatic portion. Okay, what organisms will be found there? Such organisms are known as the benthic. It means benthos. You can say about the decomposers. Nectons means what? Nectons means you can take it fish and shrimps. Zooplanktons also some free floating organisms. They float on the upper surface of your aquatic area. That is the zooplankton, nectons and benthos. Always you remember. Suppose this is the free floating means upper surface. Middle surface means only fish and shrimp or any other kinds of organisms, and bottom surface. Bottom surface, that is known as the benthos. So three kinds of